Today we are going to be putting some side rails onto a bed post. What I actually like to do, this hook would actually go onto the side rail, but I'm actually going to lay out the footprint, so to speak, with the other piece. And so what you can do is just lay it on there, and as you can see on mine, I just centered that. I've just taken just a little 1/2 inch bit here and put it in the router. And so these are about 5/8 inch wide. I'm actually going to do 2 passes, and I've kind of figured out where the end of my board is there, okay? You don't want this to sit down into that side rail at all. You want it after application to be pretty much dead on flush, okay? All right, so as you can see, I've got that just about perfectly flush. It's going to be a tapered head screw. So let's talk about our posts for just a little bit. This mortise is just a little bit different, and here's why. As you look at this metal, you have to accommodate for this metal. You also have to accommodate for the length of these hooks here. Down the center, you actually need to go deeper. You can do that with 2 different router bits, but that adds just a little bit extra to that mortise there. So this jig is a bit more complicated than you would have to have. It could be very simple. It would not have to necessarily be this long. And we would set that in.